From a joy-filled activity centre with a 22-acre land with a lake, the vandalised shell you might see now is an activity centre. Since the 1980s, this activity centre was used by schools, colleges and youth groups who stayed in the centre, the house accommodation block, which is now burnt down. This centre had a brief closure in September 2012 when it was struggling to break even. The centre was then revived after joining forces with a charity of a close by town in 2013. But after an arson attack that caused thousands of pounds worth of damage in December 2016, closed its doors for good. The culprit stole garden tools and change from vending machines before setting fire to it and leaving no way back for this lovely place. Now, years on, this place has been the prime sort of place for raves and antisocial behaviour really. It's said that this site is due to be knocked down and turned into kind of like a church.
So today we are at this abandoned activity centre. It's a little bit like Centre Parks and Go Ape. It's got a rock wall, climbing walls and everything like that. And I'm here with a friend again.
Hi guys, it's Macorlee. I'm on Instagram and it's Macorlee Travels.
He's recently changed his Instagram name because I know some of you will remember him as It's Macorlee from my videos recently. So yeah, let's go have a look around this place. I think it closed down. So late 2010s, late 2010s. There's been a lot of arson attacks on it now, and up here, I'll show you closer in, but the accommodation building actually got burnt down recently, a year ago. So yeah, we'll do this. And there was a lot of raves here back in 2018 as well. But let's go have a look. I'm excited for this one because ever since been going to Upwood, I've been trying to find this place and go here. So yeah, let's have a look. Right, we're now walking into where the rave was a long time ago. This is where a rave was set. Oh my god, look at it all. This is sick. I think a lot of people who done graffiti here also done the graffiti at RAF Upwood because it looks very similar style of graffiti. So yeah, quite a lot of people who done the graffiti at Upwood, I think, done it here as well. Like this one here in the background, this pink one, I've seen something like that before at Upwood. It still looks good though. As much as I hate graffiti and stuff, it actually looks quite nice, that one. So me and Macorlee were just saying, this is actually used to be a basketball court in here, and we'll show you where the old hoops were and that. So there's one here anyway, master shot, chilling on the floor now. But up here, that's where they used to be, and one up there. So that's quite a small court really, very small. Alright, so I'm now going through to the old rock climbing room. Let's go. Here we go. Pretty mad in here. So these pads here, that's where the climbs would have been put in, so you could have grabbed up and pulled your way up. Pretty sick in here. I like that. As much as I hate graffiti, I do like that. Right, I'm now going to go upstairs because we got scared by someone. don't know who they were, but they just turned up. I almost got scared by that again. So yeah, let's go and have a look upstairs. That's cool. I don't mind. I keep it in. I keep it in my videos. Let's go. This is the view you get from up here. Now, I'm not gonna lie, with the graffiti here, it actually adds to it being up here, because if it was just empty, it'd be quite plain and boring. But like up here, it actually looks nice with graffiti on it. It's almost like a leisure, not a leisure centre, but you know what I mean? It's got that feel to it. To me anyway, it feels like a leisure centre. So this, I am assuming, was the front entrance, maybe? Like, it looks like this would be where the till was. And like, yeah, the kind of, to me that resembles a kiosk or a checkout. You can see this place has been set on fire in here. Like, it's all just trashed. Let me try to get into this part again. We had a kid in here, so we're going to do it without the kid in here this time. No, nothing wrong with the kid in here, just he was walking around being very loud, so it's just easier to do it now. So in here is, down here anyway, down here it used to be the kitchen by the looks of it. Like so you got a deep fat fryer like thing here, which chips used to be done in. And you've also got some sort of like kitchen appliance up here and here. Oh damn, so this is what they used to do here. So they used to do kayaking, canoeing, raft building, climbing, crate stacking, archery, target shooting, fencing, team building. So loads of stuff like that really. And I'll get a photo of that so people can actually like read it. So we'll carry on. We're going to carry on through here. That's Macorlee season. I thought there was like a homeless man in here then.
Or a dog.
Or a dog. I think it's that fridge or freezer. Pushed upside down. Don't know. But there's nothing much in here. It's just empty. All it is just empty. There's like a toilet in there. But yeah, it's all just empty rooms.
Lockers.
Oh, there's lockers in there. I think these are more toilets. Oh yeah, lockers in here as well. Changing rooms these are. So changing rooms. Nothing much.
Little changing rooms. They're like kids' changing rooms.
Yeah.
What for?
Because there's I need to point that out with your face. There's basically there's a lake back there which has river rafting on the sign. It was like river rafting or canoeing. So
A little bit more sense.
yeah, but that's like the inside of this building. There's not a lot left really. The most interesting part was that big building there. We'll go have a look just out the back quickly, just see what it's like, but I'm not expecting a lot. Oh yeah, the climbing frame as well. There you go. That's the climbing frame. So the part we're at now is like the old lake and the shooting or archery centre, I'm guessing, because it looks like this would have had like, not barbed wiring, but you know what I mean, like netting behind it. That's why here. And the lake's just behind us, but it's a bit overgrown. I'll see if we can go up there and just have a look at the lake a little bit more. But yeah, this is the whole site. You know, it's quite small. It's a nice place. Like it? Yeah. I'm wondering where Sam's been in my, like, why he's not in my videos recently. It's because he's working a lot. Otherwise he would be here as well. So Sam will make a return at some point soon, I hope. I tried to have a look to see if I could get in this. There's no way in, like, past the fence. And I think, I mean, I don't know what it is. To me, looks like it might have been when you, like, hired some stuff out. Got the equipment. But I don't know. I'll never know. I'm just glad I finally got to do this place, because this place is meant to be demolished soon. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this. This has been fun. I'll catch you later. Peace.